Look at that cheese. This is so good. Come with me because I'm about to show you the quickest, easiest side dish, and it's vegan. It is zucchini parmesan. Let's get started. So to get started on our quick and easy side dish, we have our zucchini in a bowl, and I cut them lengthwise to about 1/2 inch thick. You want them to be on the thicker side, not the thinner side, because we don't want them to flop around. This is a side dish. We want it to be hearty and substantial. So I'm going to take some extra virgin olive oil and just coat the zucchini sticks in the extra virgin olive oil. To that, I'm going to add in some salt, some pepper, some onion powder, and some garlic powder. And I'm just going to give that a quick toss. Now that our zucchini is all covered in our spices and the extra virgin olive oil, we're going to take a greased, oven-safe casserole dish, and we're just going to start layering our zucchini into the bottom of the dish. So this zucchini parmesan is the perfect side dish if you're having something heavy, or if you have a vegetarian in your family. That's why we're cutting the zucchini on the thicker side, because it gives it substance. If you're like my husband and gave up carbs for Lent, which I don't know how he does that, this is perfect. He likes to call this zucchini pizza. I'm not sure why, but that's what he calls it. Okay, so now that we have a nice layer of zucchini, I'm going to take my marinara sauce. This is my marinara sauce, but feel free to use jarred, whatever you have on hand. And we're just going to put a nice thin layer of the marinara sauce. Spread it all around. Then we're going to take our shredded mozzarella cheese, and we're just going to make a nice layer of that. Now you can see why he calls it pizza zucchini, right? Then we're going to take some freshly grated Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese. We're just going to make it snow all over the top, okay? And now we're just going to repeat the process. So now that our last layer is done, tell me that doesn't look good. Come on. We're going to take a piece of aluminum foil, and we're going to cover it tightly. And we're going to pop this in a 425-degree oven, covered for 30 minutes. Then we're going to take the aluminum foil off, and we're going to leave it in there for another 15 minutes or until the top cheese is melted and golden. So our zucchini parmesan is done. She is hot and bubbling out of the oven. So I'm going to serve myself up some. Look at that cheese. Oh, tell me that doesn't look delicious. This is so good. This is the perfect side dish to any meal. It's the perfect lunch because we coated that zucchini in the extra virgin olive oil, the salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. It gave it such a beautiful, beautiful taste. And of course, the marinara sauce is just to die for. Guys, if you want the recipe to my zucchini parmesan, just comment the word recipe in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to send it to your DM.